Hello everyone! Today I will be unboxing the Boxycharm premium box for March. And this costs $35 per month, but you do have to already be a Boxycharm subscriber to get it. And once you are, you can always cancel the base box, which is $25, and just keep the premium, which is $35. Okay. So, for the month of March, this was actually a Fenty Beauty takeover box. So all the items in here are actually from Fenty Beauty. And you do receive this card every month, which tells you which products are in the box. So, let's get to it. Okay. So, the first product is this Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Trophy Wife. So let's check it out. And this one actually comes with a mirror as well. And the price for this, the retail price is $36 for this. Okay. So it looks like this very bright gold color. And this, even though it's a highlighter, it can also be worn as an eyeshadow if you think it's too bright. But that's the color. It's a beautiful gold. Okay. The next thing in the box is this lipstick in the color Single. Okay. And this retails for $18. Okay. Comes in this cute packaging. It's a very nude color. So let's see. It's a pretty nude color. Okay. The next item in the box is this. Let's see. And this is a matchstick. This matchstick shimmer skin stick retails for $25. You can use it as a highlight, a blush, an enhancer, cream to powder highlighter. Okay. It's in the color Blonde. So let's check it out. this gold color. So this is the highlighter, the Trophy Wife, and this is the blonde Matchstick. It's also a yellowish gold. Okay. The next item in the box is this, and it is a gloss balm, and the color is Diamond Milk, and this retails for $19. Looks like this silvery white gloss. So that's what the color that it looks like. Okay. The next item in the box is this Invisimatte blotting paper, and this retails for $16. So you can put this roll in there, and can be replaced too, so you can always buy one when you run out. It's good for people who have oily skin. And the last item that we have in the box is the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29. And also it says here that it has 16 shades in there. Okay, so this is the last item in the box. This is what it looks like. This is the back. This is what the case looks like. It's a beautiful case. This also has a mirror. These are the colors. So if you love shimmers, you'll love these colors up here. And there's also mattes in here as well. Okay. This is like a gold color. Blue. Rose gold. Red. So it has a variety of different tones. You can try out whichever one you like. It's a beautiful palette. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.